What's going, guys? Filip here, and today I'm going to show you how to split a video and group and ungroup several clips. So as you see here, here's my video, and to split it, simply press the time you want to split the video at and press S. So the video is now split into two parts, and these are not grouped together. The video and the audio track are, however, grouped together. So in order to group all these four tracks, two video, two audio tracks together, make sure you select all of these by pressing Control, holding that down and simply selecting them all, or start off by clicking this video track, click Shift and click on that audio track. So these are all marked, and now you simply press G, and now they are grouped. So whatever I do, move or slow down, speed up, both of these tracks get affected. So in order to ungroup these tracks, simply press the tracks you want to be ungrouped, like this. Press U, and these two now no longer are grouped with these two, but these aren't grouped together now. So if you want them grouped together again, just go ahead and press Control and G. So there you have it. It's pretty simple. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any further questions or anything else you want me to help you out with, please don't hesitate to comment or send me a message. I hope this helped you out, and until next time, hasta luego.